Introduction. Meeting a friend. Hello, Mrs. Sadia. Oh, hello, Kiran. How are you? Good. How are you? Fine. Thanks. Nice to meet you, Kiran. Nice to meet you too, Mrs. Sadia. Introduction with new neighbors. Hi. Hello. Moving in? Yes, I am. Well, then we are neighbors. My name is Saqib, and that's my coffee shop. I am Heather. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Heather, come in for coffee sometime. Thanks, but I have to go now. See you in coffee shop. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Starting a conversation. Excuse me, miss. Do you have change for $1? Let's see. No, I'm sorry, I don't. Sir, do you have change for $1? Let's see. Yes, I do. Here you are. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.